Oh guys, it's May 12th and we're getting more snow. I guess it's like a freezing route. It's kind of like, I don't know, you can hear it. Hear that, guys? Isn't that sweet? Yep. That's Ontario. Yep, we're getting some snow, but you can't see it on the ground, guys. You can just see it coming down. Probably can't see it, but it's gloomy again today. It's been gloomy and windy and cold. Can you believe that? Yes, I'm with Terri-lee again. We went shopping. What else did we do today? I don't even know what we did today.
Everywhere.
We've been, oh yeah, we got a surprise on the back of the truck, which I'll probably show you. So yeah, I guess I'll show you when we unload it. Yeah, we had groceries to pick up again. Not just mine, but Terri-lee's is back there too. You can see the Coke, the bread. We've been doing everything. We went to Canadian Tire. Oh yeah, we were everywhere. Had to do the do today. We did the do today. Yes, we are coming into small. Yep, we are coming into Inverness. So, and what is our price of gas? I don't know. It is 84 and diesel is 81.9. Whoop, whoop, whoop. There's our hardware store. Yep, and the liquor store. Don't forget the liquor store is there too, guys. We got a liquor store in there too. See it? Whoop. That's a drive-by. We just did it. Alright, that's it. Alright, so I just threw those pieces off, guys, and there's the copper there. And Miss Terri-lee is throwing some more stuff off. Stuff we picked up, guys. This truck's on the ground. I'll get it with the machine. Oh, look, guys, another one of the regulators. Look at the copper brass. I mean, sorry, look at the brass guys in there. Yeah, just right there. I'm going to clean it up with the tractor. Got some more. So I just kind of let it fall on the ground. Just don't let it hit your truck. Just flip it right on over. I know enough to stay back. Trust me. Toss her in a pile. See, there's my pile, guys. Of she's dangerous. Dangerous. Either that or wait till Brian comes. Yo, Brian, if you're watching this, you better come back because you're going to have to clean the road up. Terri-lee's making a mess. What was that? She has this funny look on her face. She's like, it's not me, man. I don't know what you're talking about. It's more of a like, I really don't care. So yeah, we had a couple things on there for sure, guys. More steel. They're heavy too, guys. Some heavy stuff. And then we got some light stuff. More light stuff. More light stuff. I wouldn't want my nephew to run out of things to do, so here, Brian, I left you a little pile here. Gotta get off the truck. Got stuff to do, guys. Stuff to do. Nice piece of plate, guys. See that? Ooh, yeah. I'm liking this, standing here just watching, hanging out. Dangerous, right? Getting dangerous. Dangerous. Oh yes, baby, got a baby battery for my collection of batteries. You see that, guys? Oh, look at that. How about that? You know where that's going. Oh, look at that. Oh, what is this? Oh. What do I got? I got myself some copper. Copper and brass, guys. Copper and brass. Never run out of things to do. Guess what? We're going to throw it there, guys, along with everything else. Yeah. Are you done?
Yeah, I'm keeping it.
You keeping what? Well, maybe I'll let you. Jeez. Anyhow.
Okay.
That's it.
Groceries.
Yes, we got to move down. We got groceries to do now, guys. I got to unload them. All right, I got to throw these goodies over there. She's going to pull down. She's going to pull down. There she goes. She's leaving me, guys. I'm going to put this battery on the battery collection, guys, so I'll have to remove it later. Now we got to unload the groceries. Groceries! Battery in the battery pile. copper's going in the bucket, guys. Let's go to my number 1. All right. We're moving on. Yeah, my sister's here. She's babysitting. So, she's babysitting while we went to town. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.